Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This large box arrived today at my house while I was at work, and I couldn't wait to get home to get into it, but I thought I would wait a little longer just to make a video to share with you guys. This is the Robosen Megatron, and I pre-ordered this as soon as the pre-orders became available. It will be my first Robosen figure that I own. I don't plan on getting their Prime or their Grimlock. Their Prime doesn't look that refined to me, and their Grimlock doesn't scale with Megatron here. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Handle, everything in the bag. It's quite heavy. Put that there. Drop that over there. Okay, let's open up this bag. So there is, I don't know which side's the front or the back, but we'll take a look all around. Really nice packaging. And you've got your handle on your styrofoam case at the top. Get that, need that. Let's get this out of here. Okay. Gently set this off to the side without knocking over any of my figures. Oh, inside the box we have a Optimus Prime target for Megatron. Inside the big box. Now, this front, it clips on the side, and this is the base. So we'll take a nice look at that front again. Very nice packaging. Set this down. Lift. And that's that. And here is Megatron in all his glory. And unfortunately for me, I did not win the signature lottery. There was no signature on this, so poops to that. Anyway, it is what it is. So we've got lots of plastic on him here that we're gonna have to remove. So, but let's set Optimus over there. Get all of this off, and then we'll get to the stuff underneath. Let's get this floppy guy out of here so I can get all this plastic off. He's a chunky monkey. Again, we'll go through what's in there in a minute. I just want to get all the plastic off of him so I can power him on. And there is a lot of plastic on him. Check underneath him. Okay, look at that. I think I've got most of the plastic, but I'm going to power him on to just make sure.
I am Megatron,
Isn't that awesome? Okay, while he's sitting there like that, let's go into the bottom tray here. Set that there. We've got our power supply. We've got our quick start guide. And we've got our safety manual. We've got our, I think this is our collector's coin. So yeah, there's our collector's coin. And what else is in here? His weapons are in here. So we have his sword. A button. So his sword lights up. There's a button right there. There's little stickers you remove that tell you where all the power switches are. And these are his missiles for his tank. We'll play around with those in a minute. And this is his mace. So that's everything in the box. Oh, I got a sticker there. That's a touch-sensitive area. There's stickers for the touch-sensitive areas as well. Okay, so I'm going to move this aside for the moment because I don't have enough room up here on my temporary display stand here for this video. We'll get him here. Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Transform.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
Isn't that incredible? So, now that he's robot mode, I can see some more plastic here that have to remove. There is a lot of protective plastic on him. There's some on his feet. I have to turn around. Oh, there's a piece on his butt.
Watch it, you fool.
That's what you get when you rub his ass. I'd say the same thing. I wouldn't be too happy. There's plastic on his feet that I gotta get off. We get to see all of his lights. He looks absolutely fantastic. Let me turn him around. I think I've gotten all the plastic now, but if I didn't, I'll get the rest of it later. Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Introduce yourself.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing. Greetings, humans. I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons. You will do exactly as I say. Now surrender.
Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. I'll crush you with my bare hands.
Now there's commands in the book. I haven't looked in the little Get Quick Start guide, and I've downloaded the app on my phone, but I'm using my phone currently to record. So I'm just reciting some of the commands I know off the top of my head. What's another one? Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Open fire.
Do as I command. Fire! Show no mercy.
He's quite massive also. I think I don't know, I might get another Pango Toys Prime just to pair with him. Right now I've got my Pango Toys Optimus Prime, a severely oversized KO of Magic Square Prime in the display case with some 80s cartoon heroes. He-Man, Spider-Man, Lion-O, Leonardo, and Duke. So I might get another one someday just to put with him, because I think they would scale good together, because Pango Toys Prime, he's 18 inches tall. Anyway, Megatron. Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Walk forward. Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Move forward.
Out of my way, fool!
Okay, enough of that. Yeah. Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Transform. Yeah.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
Like Optimus Prime, when he transforms, he's backwards. So, but it would have been nice if when you say, "Hey, Megatron,"
What's wrong?
you know, never mind. It would have been nice when you tell him to transform, that he transforms and then turns around, but he doesn't. So, okay. So we got a missile here. I hope I don't lose this. And we're not that far away from the wall, but hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Open fire. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Hey, Megatron.
What's wrong?
Move forward.
Take no prisoners.
Cool. Hey, Megatron. Hey, Megatron. Hey, you can't interrupt it, I guess. Hey, he goes quite a distance, so he'd have been over there on the floor by now. So that is my unboxing of the Robosen Megatron. My first and possibly only Robosen figure. And yeah, he's pretty amazing. You know, there are people out there that cry about him not being a gun, but come on, look at this tank. This thing looks awesome. It would have been sweet to get him with Frank Welker's signature on him, and you know, to all those individuals out there that do end up getting one with Frank Welker's signature, congratulations to you guys, you bastards. But I'm still happy to have him, regardless. He looks incredible. He's massive, and I think he'll be the centerpiece, the crown centerpiece of my collection here in my tiny collection room. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.